You're most welcome in this topic, linear inequalities. Here we are going to discuss this topic regarding to the JEE mains exam. You may not see the direct question from this topic, but this topic is little important, and I want to tell you how this topic is important. Let us see here. Suppose you have a question p by 4 power 4 and q by 5 whole power 5 less than or equal to 1. And this is just part of a question, this is not a whole question. If any question is complex type question, or you can say the question with many concepts, means a single questions with many concepts, then you should know the linear inequalities. Okay, here is introduction of linear inequalities. These are the symbols, and we say this is the less than, means one part is the left side, another part is the right. Actually, when you listen the teacher or you are listening somewhere, then you should know. Suppose this is given, we say this is left part is, means we read the first left side, less than, and this part always known as the less than. So we read less than, and we say this is greater than, means we read these symbols regarding to the left side or with respect to the left side. Okay, means okay, and we say this is less than, this is greater than, and we say this is less than and equal to, and this is greater than and equal to, because they are both symbol, and these are the called inequality signs. Okay, as you know the equation, means as you did study in 10th क्लास, आपने 10वीं क्लास में या किसी भी क्लास में पढ़ा होगा, जैसे भी कोई इक्वेशन होता है 3x + 5 = 15. Okay, here is the symbol of equality, then we say this is equation, because here is the number and algebraic expression, algebra, that is x with the equal sign, we say this is the equation. But when we include these symbols, then we say that become linear inequations, and these linear inequations can be different types, that can be involve one or more than one variables. Okay, if it is involve one variable, then we say one variable linear inequations, and if it involves two variables x and y, then we say two variable linear inequation. Here is the linear, we are saying this is linear equation because here is power is 1, then that's why we are saying this equation is linear equation. If there is one variable, then you say one variable linear equation. If there is two variable, then you will say two variable linear equations. Okay, now it was the introduction of the linear inequalities and linear inequations. Here we should know about the solution of linear inequations. Suppose an equation is given, you can take this example like 3x + 5 = 15. we solve it. 3x is equal to 15 minus 5, then 3x is equal to 10, and x is equal to 10 by 3. So we say 10 by 3 is the solution of this equation. This way we get the also solution for the linear inequalities or linear inequations. And as the given solution, for example 2x minus 2x minus 1 less than 5. This is linear inequation. We have to solve this, then you will get some value of x in the number. Then we say that number becomes the solution of this linear inequalities. Means any value of variable, any value of this variable we satisfy the given inequation is called the solution. Now we will learn how to solve the linear inequations. How to solve the inequations or get the solution. Before to solve the equations, we have to follow some rules, and these rules are given in some points, and step by step we learn these. If you have suppose you have an equation 3x plus 2 is less than 8. It is saying in first point, same number added or subtracted both sides, sign of inequality does not change. Okay, suppose you added both sides, 2 plus 2 less than 8 plus 2, means we added here plus 2 here and plus 2 here, then it becomes 3x plus 4 less than 10. So here is the no change in the inequalities. It was the first point, and we can add also minus 2, 3x plus 4 minus 2 less than 8 minus 2. It becomes 3x plus 2 less than, sorry, it was the 4. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0, and no need of this number, and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, 3x is less than 6. So this way we solve the, so first point you got the first point. Now second point, this was the first point. Now see the second point here. Multiplying or dividing is said by a positive number, sign of inequality does not change. So you can see another 3x is less than 6. You can take this. Suppose you multiply both sides by 6, then it becomes 3x multiply with 3 less than 6 multiply 3. It becomes 9x less than 18. Okay, another way, this was the multiplication. Now we will see the division. Suppose you divided by 3 both sides, it becomes